Here we have integer variable num with the initial value 1. So this means that 1 will be installed inside the memory of variable num like this, and then the program will go to the next statement, which is about the while loop. So for the while loop, the program will check this condition, that true or false. If the condition is true, that means the program will go inside and execute inside the while loop. Otherwise, the program will skip or exit the while loop. So let's check. So in here we have the value of variable num is 1. So we had 1 less than 4, like this. So you see that the expression 1 is less than 4 is true. So we have in here true, like this. So when the condition is true, the program will go inside. When the program go inside, we will see that the statement is console.write. This statement will print the value of num. So here we say that print the value of num, which the value of num is 1. So it print 1. And then if you go to the next statement is about num plus. For the statement num plus, it means that the value of num will be increased by 1. So it will be something like this, num equal num plus 1, like this. So for this case, you see that the value of num is 1. So 1 plus 1 equal 2, right? So now it means that this time the value of variable num will change. So if I write something like this, num, so the value inside the memory of num change to be 2, right? So after execute the express num plus, if the while loop will check the condition again. So at this time, this one will automatically change from 1 to be 2. And then we will check the condition of while loop again. So in here we have that now the value of num is 2. So 2 less than 4. That is, so the expression 2 is less than 4 is true. So when the condition is true, the program will go inside the while loop again. So this means will do for this statement again, print the value of variable num. So this time the value of variable num is 2. So this means we print 2, right? Also like this for the second time. And then if you go here again, right, for the this statement again. So for this statement, the value of num will be increased by 1. So it's mean that you change from here. Value of num is 2, right? So 2 plus 1 equal 3. So this time the value of num will change to be 3, like this. And this one will automatically change to be 3, 2. So now we check the condition of the while loop again. So we will check the condition of the while loop again. Num, the value of num is 3, right? 3 less than 4. The expression 3 less than 4 is 2. So here true, like this. So if the condition is true, the program will go inside again and print the value of num. So this time the value of num is 3. So you print 3 like this. And you go to the next statement is about num plus again. So this time you change the value plus 1. So in here we have num is 3, right? Plus 1 equal 4. So now the value in the memory of num will change to be 4. So this one will automatically change to be 4, 2. And we'll check the condition again for the while loop. So at this time we have 4, right? Num, the value of num is 4, so 4 less than 4. You see that the expression 4 is less than 4 is 4. So this one is 4. So when the condition is 4, the program will stop the while loop. So if you skip the while loop, so this means we will no execution about this part, and we go to the next statement. This statement it will just only enter new line only. So this means enter new line only, and the program will end at this statement. So what is the final running result? So let's see the final running result. So the final running result will be this one. This one is mean that the program will print 1, 2, 3, right? So in here we just write 1, 2, 3 like this, and then the program will enter a new line. So now to check our program that this is the result be 1, 2, 3 or not, we just run the program by pressing Ctrl F5 on the keyboard. So now you see that the running result will be like this. So the running result is 1, 2, 3 and enter new line. Are you seeing here?